Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we're going to replace airflow sensor. It's a sensor that locate between the filter box and your throttle body. So this little sensor is very important. Once it go bad or dirty, it can also mess up your car performance. At some point, you can remove it and blow them and clean it. But this vehicle has 185,000 miles with the same sensor. And I cleaned that over and over. It is time to replace a new one. But first, before you do anything to any of these things, disconnect whatever, the first thing you want to disconnect your negative and your positive battery so you don't get any type of code popping up on your screen. So after disconnecting your battery, there's a sensor right here. You guys see, you're going to need a fitted head screwdrivers. You see there's a little clip on top of the connector. When you press it in like this, that allows you to pull it. Do not hold on to the wire. Make sure you hold on to the connector, guys. All right, and wiggle that, get it out of the way. And after that, we're gonna grab our fitted head screwdrivers and remove this screw, the two screws, right? Take it out, super easy. This just, woo, okay. So make sure you don't misplace that screw because you're definitely gonna need that to replace the new sensor, right? All right, so you take this out really quick. Alrighty, set that here. And then there is your old sensor, super easy. You guys can see the section with a hole. It fits in the filter box. This is the original sensor since I got this vehicle. I remove it sometime and I clean it and all of that, but it's time to replace a new one, guys. So this is our new sensor here. Got it from AutoZone. It's an AutoZone brand, Duralast. Alrighty, I already opened it anyway. So the new sensor, it's kind of different from the OEM sensor because you can see here, the OEM sensor have some middle piece over here, which is different design, but you know, you can see that it's basically the same thing, right? To me, I don't really worry about what it looks like. So long I didn't get it from Amazon, I got it from AutoZone. I think that's a good zone, okay? AutoZone is a good zone. There's no need to go into a dealership to get the OEM one. This is like $59 and something plus taxes. You're looking at 60 plus. So the same way you remove the old sensor, that's the same way you're gonna put the new one. This section that have the hole need to be facing the filter box, just like this, guy. Put it in just like that. How interesting is that? You guys see that? My hands are pretty dry, but that's fine. So then we put the screw right back on here and hand tie that first. And grab the second one, hand tie there. There you go. Now we're gonna grab our fitted head screwdrivers, tighten this bad boy down really quick. Interesting, guys. This thing is very important for your vehicle, especially the new vehicle, 2016 Honda Accord. This sensor, without this sensor, you're not going to have any type of performance. So after you're done there, all you have to do now is grab your connector. Sometimes you want to look into your connector to see if there's any corrosion or stuff like that, but nothing. So we're just going to plug it right back in just like that. You guys see that? That is beautiful. That's a perfect match right there. You also want to check your air filter regularly. Make sure that you don't keep the same air filter on for a long time, because if the air filter stays on for too long, what will happen, the dirt or dust will penetrate there and go sit on the airflow sensor, and that will give you, you know, some codes, or you're gonna lack of performance and stuff like that. But also, if you want to even go deeper, what you're gonna do is remove this thing right here, this clips, and remove that one, and remove this rubber boot away from your throttle body, so you'll be able to clean inside your throttle body by replacing a new sensor and clean your throttle body. That will increase your vehicle performance. So if you don't have a scanner, just in case you have code on your screen, what you need to do is get yourself a jumper cable. Use one side. You guys can see it's the same positive side, just one end of the cable. Plug it to the positive battery terminal, and the other side, you guys can see here, it's just the same cable, and you plug that to the negative battery terminal. Make sure you don't touch the battery and leave it sitting here for at least, you know, 20-30 minutes. That right there will reset your code. If any code that pop up on your screen, it will definitely erase all your code and you will be good to go. That's how I reset my ECU. If I have any engine light or any type of light that pop up on the screen, in the meantime, to reset it, you can use this, reset your ECU. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video.